Hello and welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to download the Fox Sports app on an iPhone. But before I begin, please allow me to give a quick 10-second shout out to my merch store. I work with different artists to create cool and original fan art. I sell clothes, pillows, and many different accessories. Please check out my store to support the channel and the artists I work with. You can find the link to my store on the top of the comment section or the description of this video. Thanks. You can now get back to your video. We'll begin by going to the App Store. So right here. And then make sure you're in the search page. If you're not here, look over here on the bottom and tap on where it says search. So once you tap there, it should take you to this page. Once you get to here, tap over here in the search bar and then search for Fox Sports. And you can see it already popped up over here. Tap on there. All right. And then click over here where it says Fox Sports. All right. And this is the Fox Sport app, as you can see. Once here, tap over here where it says get. And right now it's asking me to confirm the download. And by double tapping the side button, yours might be different. So just follow whatever they tell you to do. Once I double tap, it's going to start the download. And as you can see, and this is the progress that it's making on the download. All right, once it finishes downloading, it will say open, and I can go ahead and tap on open. And it's loading. There you go. That's how you can download the Fox Sports app on an iPhone. If you have any other questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. If you like the video, please click on the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos like this. Thank you for watching.